Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Do Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. So today, what we got? A new package. So we're gonna unbox this new package and see what's inside, right?
What's going on, my boys? Hey, yo, shout out to my man Sam Pete, the hobby barber.
I hope what's inside is not broken because it's really fragile something, and the postman just put it inside the post box, and he forced this package inside my post box, and I hope it's not broken. You see, there are some scratches here. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, you see that? This is the transparent cover of Gamma Ergo, and this is the black, I guess. And this is what I got, guys. See that? So how we do that? Peace, man.